Hey, what good you guys? My name is Nitesh Ventura and you are watching me definitely on YouTube. So on here I'm going to tell you the basic magic trick and tell you the secret of the trick and the DIY so that you can make that trick at your home. Okay, so let's get started. So here's we have that. You can see empty box type. Okay, so I'm putting this 10 of diamonds into it. Okay, right, and here I have empty, and well, this is empty, man. See inside, look inside, this is empty, and I'm going to place this into this. So see this, I have this 10 of diamonds, and here to give you, hold it like this, and 1 2 3 boom, vanish. What do you think, where it is gone? See this. Don't you think it's 10 of diamonds? Right? So let's pull it off.
Hey, so it's time to reveal the secret.
See what here is, let me open it. Yeah. So here already a 10 of diamonds. It's just fixed like that, so see. It's just sliding in, as you can see. And here's another hole on this end. I don't know if you can see or not. See, I kept this 10 of diamond into this, and when I place in this empty, and yes, it is empty. So my card just come out and it's like. So now you know where the card came into an empty envelope. How does it possible to vanish a card? If you will flip it around, you will know that I hold that card with my index finger. As I releases the card, it goes downwards because of gravity. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and do comment. If you want such type of content, do subscribe to this channel.